we're in the ML. What we're going to do is we're going to tackle the pollen filter. There's the Febby part number. It should be quite simple, a matter of just these two screws or bolts to be undone. Drop this. That should allow us to then get to where the filter resides. Okay, so let's see if we can get this open and off using my gifted snap-on set. That so we can take off the whole tray. What we're looking at is actually under here. So this box here is where we need to replace our filter. So it's quite straightforward. It's this clip here. Pull that clip. There you go. And all we do is pull down on this. Now look how filthy that is. That is just vile. That is what we're replacing. I mean, wow, look at the crud that came off that. I don't know when this was ever done. Oh. But that's why it's important to do your pollen filters. Okay. Still more crud's coming out. Nasty. Use my other hand. Wow, that's a lot of stuff that's come out of the dirt. Okay, so putting the new one back in is nice and easy. So this is the new one. This is the Febby part. This tab here is what we see at the bottom, so it's going to go in kind of like that, I guess. Like this. So let's see if we can get it up there. There we go. And once that's up there, it's really just a matter of popping this back on. And there you go, we're locked back in. So we'll put that tray back on, the under tray, and clean up this mess we've now created. Remember, there's a little slot that this needs to go into. Yeah, there it is. So we need to get that over that slot. remind you of what the dirty one was like. There's the dirty one. That's rough, isn't it? Horrible. Okay, so job done.